Okay, on question 15, we have to rationalize the denominator, but it does become a little more difficult because the denominator is a binomial. In order to get rid of these radicals, what we have to do is we have to multiply this denominator by its conjugate. Its conjugate is radical 6 plus radical 2. Anything we do to the denominator, we have to do the exact same thing to the numerator. So again, in essence, we're multiplying by 1. Now we do have to FOIL because we have a binomial times a binomial. Let's start with the numerator. Radical 5 times radical 6 is radical 30. Outside, radical 5 times radical 2 is radical 10. Inside, we have radical 36, which is just going to be 6. And outside, we have radical 12, which we're going to need to simplify. In terms of the denominator, radical 6 times radical 6 is radical 36, which you could write as 6 to save yourself some time. Radical 6 times radical 2 is going to be radical 12. Negative radical 2 times radical 6 is negative radical 12, and then negative radical 2 times radical 2 is negative 2, or I guess I'll just stay consistent, would be negative square root of 4. Now we are going to simplify. Radical 30 can't be simplified. 4 doesn't go in evenly, 9 doesn't go evenly, and evenly neither does 16. So therefore 25 won't, square root of 10 is simplified. Radical 36 is 6. Square root of 12 we're going to reduce to 2 root 3. Okay, because 12 again is 4 times 3, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 36 down here is 6. Positive radical 12 and negative radical 12 cancel out. We knew that because these were conjugates, and in conjugates, when you FOIL, the O and the I always cancel, and then minus the square root of 4 would just be minus 2. So the last simplification, all we would do, radical 30 plus radical 10 plus 6 plus 2 radical 3 would all be over 4, and that would be fine. You could just leave it in that form. You can't simplify the numerator, so we'll just stick with that, and that's how you answer question 15.